At Guanhui Crane, the assembly process of end carriages with the main girder typically involves the following steps. Use a steel ruler to measure the diagonal of the wheel to ensure the dimensions are correct. Measuring the diagonals helps confirm that the end carriages are correctly positioned. Place the main girder on the end carriages, measure the diagonal, and then fix it. And using a level ensures that the main girder is perfectly horizontal, maintaining the overall quality and safety of the crane assembly. Fine-tuning the crane's dimensions and securing the main girder. Cut off the excess. Ensures the crane spans the required distance accurately. Welding the covers at both ends of the main girder. Final inspection and testing. Conduct a final inspection to check the entire assembly for any issues or defects. At Guanhui, these steps ensure that the end carriages and the main girder are securely and accurately assembled, providing a solid foundation for the crane's operation.